Greetings. Let's consider an ordering on this set. Let's say the set of numbers 1 till 1000. This is a common notation for that in Cartesian product with another 1000. So it's all the partial ordered pairs ranging from 1, 1 until 1000 with 1000. And in these two positions can be anything from the numbers 1 till 1000, the natural numbers. So let's ask if we have a relation defined this way, that is AB is smaller than or equal than XY, if and only if. So let's define this ordering here as A must be smaller or equal than X, and B must be smaller than or equal than Y. So this ordered pair will be defined to be smaller than or equal than this ordered pair if both of its entries are at max equal to the corresponding entries on the right. So if both of the corresponding entries on the left are at max equal to their respective entry on the right. Right, so A must be smaller or equal than X, and at the same time B must be smaller than or equal than Y. So it works when they're equal, but it doesn't work if B was to be strictly bigger than Y, for example, or A strictly bigger than X. And what is the longest chain? So we can see this is a partially ordered set, poset, and chain is the subset where they are actually comparable. So we want to look at all the elements where they're comparable and chain them up into a row of elements in this increasing fashion and see how many there are. So what is the longest chain? Well, what we can do is we can consider the fact that we are starting out with the element with this ordered pair 1, 1. And it must be smaller than or equal by the definition right here, the whole definition for this ordering. Then, for example, 1, 2. We have the second entry higher than or equal on the right. And then we go on like this. And we can continue until we get to the point that we have 1000 in the right entry. But also, we can then, when we reach that, we can start increasing the left entry. It will also work out. So we will get 2 and 1000. And then, again, it's going to work out for this ordering until 1000, 1000. So the longest chain is how many of these ordered pairs there are until we reach the 1000, 1000 from the 1, 1. All right, so they're all comparable by this relation, and let's see how many there are. Well, the rule is if we have these two equal sets, we simply take the number of elements in this set, multiply by 2 and subtract 1. That is going to be the result. So it's going to be 1999 here. And what is the reason? Well, we can simply consider that we have this one and then another 999 times until we reach here. And then we do it another 1000 times here. And so in total, it's almost twice the number of elements in these two equal sets here, whose Cartesian product we were taking. So that is the result here. The longest chain, according to this illustration we had here, is going to have this length.